Lesson outline. Lesson 1, thermal energy, temperature, and heat. A, kinetic and potential energy. 1, any moving object has kinetic energy. 2, the energy that is stored due to the interactions between objects and particles is called potential energy. 3, a moving soccer ball that has been kicked into the air has kinetic energy and mechanical energy. Together they make up the mechanical energy of the ball. B, what is thermal energy? 1, the particles that make up matter have kinetic energy and potential energy. 2, the sum of kinetic energy and the potential energy in the particles that make up an object is called thermal energy. 3, thermal energy describes the energy of the particles in solids, liquids, and gases. C, what is the temperature? 1, scientists define temperatures in terms of kinetic energy. 2, the average kinetic energy of the particles that make up a material is the temperature of the materials. A material with a high temperature has particles that have a greater average kinetic energy than a material with a lower temperature. B, particles whose average kinetic energy is large are moving at a greater average speed than particles whose average kinetic energy is smaller. 3, two particles can have the same temperature but different thermal energy. For example, ice and water have the same average kinetic energy, but liquid water has greater thermal energy because its particles have greater potential energy than those of ice. 4, a thermometer is used to measure temperature. A bulb thermometer has a liquid that expands and rises in a glass tube. When its temperature goes up, the liquid contracts and its level drops when the temperature goes down. B, a electronic thermometer measures the resistance in a electronic circuit, and event converts the measurement into a temperature. Scientists around the world use Celsius the scale. A, water freezes at 0%. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. B, scientists also use the Kelvin scale. Water freezes at 32 degrees Kelvin and boils at 212 degrees Kelvin. The lowest possible temperature for any material is called 273 Kelvin 0 and is 373 Kelvin. At this temperature, the particles in a material would not be moving and would have no kinetic energy. What is heat? Heat is the 1. D, what is heat? 1, heat is the movement of thermal energy from a warmer object to a cooler object. 2, all objects have thermal energy, but heating occurs only when thermal energy is transferred from one object to another object. A, the rate of which heating occurs depends on the difference in temperatures between two objects. The greater is difference, the faster heat is transferred. B, heating continues until all substances that are contact have reached the same. Sorry about the end. I got my words tangled up because I was talking too fast. But that is lesson outline, lesson 1, thermal energy, temperature, and heat. There you go, 6th graders. There you go.